Edward Stevenson with TimelessWealth.net, and the following will be a technical opinion on Zevotek Incorporated, stock symbol ZVTK. The last time we had discussed this market, we took a look at an ascending trend line that formed as a result of higher lows being made, and we'll represent that with this trend line indicating green. And we saw resistance that we'll use red to represent with this horizontal trend line. Together it formed this bullish chart pattern known as the ascending triangle, meaning we're making higher lows, and at the same time we're trying to tackle this resisting trend line by the time we reach the apex of the triangle, and hopefully this breakout comes on above average volume. This in itself showed strength in the market. That's why in fact we noticed it, and once this breakout occurred, this once resisting level became a supporting one. Very similar in the past few trading sessions. In fact, in the past month we formed another ascending trend line right here with lows coming off of this period right here, 002, a higher low here, and one more coming off Friday's trading session, as well as a resisting trend line at 004 formed by the highs off these two trading sessions and a one supporting trend line coming off these trading sessions. And once more we saw a technical pattern very similar to this period right here, where the price rallied substantially from what looks like the 003 area where the true breakout occurred to the 0163 area, which in turn represents quite a favorable return investment, especially if you're a swing or a day trader. Likewise, Friday's trading session we saw above average volume, which propelled the breakout to 0056 and a close on the high in the session, which in itself is bullish. We are also looking at minor support at the 50-day simple moving average at 005, reference top left hand corner, so that you know I'm not making up any of these levels. All the figures are here. In any case, we broke past this once resisting trend line at 004, which now supports the price, and we'll use green to represent that. The key with this breakout is this: if the price is to decline, retrace, or pull back in the market, we want to see the price hold above 004 for this to be a true technical breakout. That means the price cannot close beneath 004 if this is a true sign of strength in Zevotek's market. In the event that it does close below 004, the key level to watch for is this ascending trend line right here. We want to see the price follow it and continue to make higher lows. Scrolling down here, we have some very standard technical indicators, including the relative strength index, which shows that there's room for growth. The 21 period has just crossed above the 50 mark, which is bullish. We're looking at a bullish crossover on the MACD, which occurred just a few trading sessions prior, perhaps last week, and we're seeing good divergence between these two lines right here, as well as on the ADX indicator. Bullish crossover on full stochastics and tricks for the first time, and this is mainly used as a swing trader or midterm trade indicator. We're seeing that this indicator is suggesting that an uptrend is forming. So again, for any of that to be the case, we want to see the market appreciate and in any event hold above 004. Again, that's the key. On the other hand, we have resistance at the 0067 mark, and that's the first key resistance level that I'm looking at. The reason being is that once we found a bottom at 0044 back in January of 2010, the market rallied and bumped its head 0067 and was unable to surpass that mark. In the event that the market rallies, surpasses 0067, I would not be surprised to see the market test the next key resisting level at 0075, and that's based on a key supporting level based on consolidation and retracements during this period and this extension in price. So once again, to quickly wrap up, we're looking at ascending trend line that's supporting the price. That's the key one to watch for. The price should be able to hold above 004 if Monday's trading session was a sign of strength in the market. Minor support at the 50-day simple moving average or 005 per share. Resistance going forward falls at 0067 and 0075 per share. Once again, this was Edward Stevenson with TimelessWealth.net. I encourage you to visit my site, TimelessWealth.net, and tune into some of the services we offer our members, including a weekly market watch list, articles and publications, market commentary, as well as all sorts of educational materials that you, the investor, you, the trader, can take advantage of all for free. And more importantly, join our free newsletter for overlooked trading and undervalued investment ideas. Thank you for listening.